I want to prepare egg stew for breakfast. I'm going to add ugu, tomatoes, onions, pepper, eggs, and the yam. We're going to use that to eat yam. This is how to serve it. Balanced diet blood tonic. Anya de ba na eshi. This is how I slice my tomatoes for egg stew. Bold. She's pounding the pepper because I can't slice it. Okay. This is new yam, which means recently harvested yam. So it cooks in no time if care is not taken. Before you know it, it has melted. Let me use the word melted in the pot. So you have to watch it. I'll show you how I cook it so that it doesn't disintegrate in the pot. Old yam is more starchy and harder because the water has evaporated. This one still contains a lot of water, so it's very soft and it's not as tasty as old yam because old yam is very sweet. For those in the US, this is what we call yam anyway in Nigeria, not potatoes. What you guys call yam in the US, we call it potatoes, sweet potatoes. Come and start washing. I like on pizza so who for me I don't need to go. Mama why had you bacha do ye do. Kwesi hi due do. Ne welu ka de dia mba. Owo to akesa sawo. E man no bu ni ichi sawo without a gas in her had do. Ne ya such a put that in. It's not possible for you to wash up the dirt without unwrap scattering it. When you really well within me. One day, when you chair, you see, 3 niggas without niggas in her hand. Why we meet one time? That's not okay. Say your fuma. Oh, yes, but so good. The doye, they say, is in here, sap your ass up. Carry. When you make it now, For how dirty me is. So you just water mirrors here, you and our home ec student is slicing ogo. Hi! See how kele it is. What do you call home ec in school now? Catherine. Or what was the home ec? Or what's the home economics?
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, what department I am
Catherine. Which is a department in secondary school. Now my own. So my trick for cooking new yam so that it doesn't disintegrate in the pot is to boil hot water first. So I'm boiling the hot water because if you pour cold water in it and start cooking it, by the time the cold water boils, the yam is already soft in some areas. Yeah, it's complicated, but if you add hot water, it starts cooking immediately. Yeah, once it comes to a rolling boil, it must boil like this. Wodo wodo. You put the pot. Put that and it's increase.
This pot will just charcoal.
Did you know you people that stay native? You shouldn't. You should reduce it, not increase.
Oh, Jimmy.
What?
People.
Pour hot water. Easy, easy. That place is leaking. Oh yeah. No, be small. Oh yeah. Pour everything to cover it. Chimney, bring some salt. We add salt to it at the beginning because salt will harden what you're cooking. Yeah, it gives it taste, but it will, the main reason why I'm adding it now is that it will harden the yam. Stir it. No. Cover. Then you keep an eye on it so that it doesn't overcook. You see, it starts boiling almost immediately. That's what you want with this new yam. When you add hot water, it boils almost immediately. You don't want it sitting in cold water for too long. See, it's already soft. But it's not really done. This one is not done. Cover it, maybe 2 more minutes. There you go. Wow, good here. Go the oven. Remove the hot water so that it will stop cooking. Yellow. The one color that we buy in Lagos, the egg yolk is like white. Eh?
No, yeah, it's yellow.
Maybe in Port Harcourt is yellow too. In Lagos it's pale, so pale. Keep it there, let it heat up. too. It's done, you know. Okay. The heat very low so it doesn't burn. I like the egg to be big. Doesn't really need that much salt. So small. I'll cook the remainder separately. I'll get the oil from here. Food is ready. See the egg sauce, ogo, and yam. Oh yeah, bring plates, all of you. Bring everybody's plates. This is how to serve it. Balanced diet blood tonic. This ogo, it will give you blood tonic. Homekuman, come and check. Do you cook this type in your school?